Hello, lovely pair to be the changing world of wedding classes. Today, we embark on a magical journey to help you find the fact go that will make you feel like radiant, confident, and strong. Right, you have always summit of becoming your day is undoubtedly a moment's action, and your wedding should reflect your unique personality and stay whether your vision showing that you will discover the dress of your dream late is transport you to the realm of pure luxury, and there is a wedding rest out there if you find yourself drawn to the charm of their post vantage inspired wedding dress offer a touch of national and timeless yellow drawn in position from a fashion heiress like the 1920s, 1950 and 17 years. This dress is future unique details such as flapper style frying day legend Hamlins or necklace vantage inspired dresses allow you to channel the elegance of bygone year while adding a modern twist that is unique you whether you are jazz age dying or little lewing bride are drawn to all of mood customization with and any shop streets for not the world of wedding fashion is a brewing with drives design from to classic. Note the world of wedding fashion is a brewing with design from to classic elegant, ensuring that you will discover the less of your dream stop into the realm of for luxury and execute conformation is we explore the bright thank fabric that your dream go image the soft amble the right accessories have the power to elevate your look to new hairs of elegance and personalization delicate jewelry well air flower crown can and change your style and embarking on the journey of choosing your wedding dresses experience filled with and hint of your to keep on open mind as you explore different style for trying on radios designs will help you racing with states you best and with your unique action don't follow the fair done exploit of soft like billows your look to new of elegance and personalization delicate speaking wills and flower can change your style adding touch of the drawing of bohemian magic less in the details and the perfect combination of accessories will make you feel royal unique and on your special day we understand that wedding dress is a defenses but rest that of accessories will make you feel royal unique and customization on your special day we understand that a wedding is a confident investment but rest that we have quoted selection inform option that are just a string the true beauty of a dress is not defined and but red boy who it make your feel you confident ground that fits your making you feel like $1 million without breaking the bank every pride discover to find a dress and fits here perfectly and that we celebrate the include of wedding dresses available on a range of size to give to any beautiful body shop and if you can find your drawing dress designs offer customization opens allowing you to create on of king gum the perfectly matches your personal style and vision whether you are timeless classic style future yourself as a princess other the dress with a and William in cigarette that elegance and grace the designs available in luxuries fabrics like style and to can be with bing and embroidery adding a touch of glamour that will make you feel royal real for this perfect more understand magic be perfect choose with a heart fabrics but work adult great designs this dress is air